why you feel tired all the time and how to fix it. Do you wake up tired even after a full night's sleep? You're not alone. Millions of people feel drained, sluggish, or mentally foggy every day. But here's the good news. We're diving into the real reasons you feel tired all the time and how to naturally fix it. Reason 1. Poor sleep quality. It's not just about how long you sleep, it's about how deep you sleep. Disrupted sleep cycles from stress, blue light, or caffeine can leave you feeling unrest. Fix it. Turn off screens an hour before bed, try magnesium or chamomile tea, and keep a consistent bedtime routine. Reason 2. Blood sugar spikes and crashes. Eating too many refined carbs or sugar in the morning can lead to energy crashes by midday. Fix it. Start your day with protein plus healthy fats like eggs, oats with nuts, or a smoothie with avocado and greens. Reason 3. Nutrient deficiencies. Low levels of iron, B12, magnesium, or vitamin D can zap your energy without you even knowing. Fix it. Eat a balanced, nutrient-rich diet with leafy greens, lean protein, and healthy fats. You can also ask your doctor to test your vitamin levels. Reason 4. Dehydration. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and brain fog. Fix it. Drink water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses, more if you're active or live in a warm climate. Reason 5. Mental burnout or stress overload. Chronic stress keeps your nervous system on high alert, draining your energy stores faster than you realize. Fix it. Build in mini breaks, do a 10-minute walk outside, or try deep breathing to reset your mind and body. Reason 6. Lack of movement. It seems backwards, but being inactive can make you feel more tired. Fix it. Get at least 20 minutes of light exercise a day like walking, yoga, or dancing. Movement creates energy. Bonus tip. Cut down on screen time before bed. Blue light from screens delays melatonin in your sleep hormone. Less melatonin, more tossing and turning. Fix it. Use blue light filters, dim your lights after sunset, and replace scrolling with reading or journaling. Final thoughts. Your tiredness is real, but it's not permanent. With a few small, natural changes, you can restore your energy, lift your mood, and feel like yourself again. Listen to your body. Nourish it. Move it. Rest it. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Subscribe to PureviaLife for more natural health and wellness tips. Comment below. What's one change you'll start today to boost your energy?